How can I locate my lost or missing AirPod?
Hello there. Have you misplaced your AirPods? Don't worry, Apple provides a built-in tool for locating lost AirPods using the Find My app. Let's dive in to learn how you can use this handy tool to track down your lost AirPods.
Ensure you meet the requirements.
Before we proceed, it's important to understand that the Find My app requires iOS 13 or later for iPhones or iPadOS 13 or later for iPads. You also need to sign in to iCloud with your Apple ID on the device you're using to find your lost AirPods. Additionally, the app only works if your AirPods are within Bluetooth range of any of your Apple devices signed in to iCloud. If they're not within range, the app can show you their last known location.
How to use the Find My app to locate your AirPods.
First, open the Find My app on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. If you don't have the app, you can download it from the App Store. Once in the app, select the Devices tab at the bottom of your screen. Scroll or search to find your AirPods in the list of devices. After you've located your AirPods in the list, tap on them. You'll see their current or last known location on a map, and time it was last located. If your AirPods are nearby, you can tap Play Sound. This will make the AirPods play a sound at full volume, making them easier to find if they're within earshot. Remember, this only works if your AirPods are powered on and within Bluetooth range of an iOS device signed into iCloud.
What if my AirPods are out of range or offline?
If your AirPods are out of range or offline, you'll see their last known location and the time they were last connected. This isn't a live location but can give you a starting point. Keep in mind, if your AirPods are turned off, run out of battery, or are in the AirPod case, the Find My app can't find them. You can tap Notify when found, and you'll get a notification on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch if they come back online. We hope this guide helps you locate your lost AirPods. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. So, try to keep your AirPods in a consistent and safe place when you're not using them. Good luck finding your AirPods!